Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? I hope you all are fine. Okay. So, in previous videos, I explained so many things about our country, like different landforms, different culture, climatic conditions, uh, about the Indus Valley civilization, area, population, and different languages, different religion. It means, despite all these things, unity in diversity. And I explained about the location also. Location means latitudinal and longitudinal extent of our country. Now, in this video, I will explain about India's neighbors. Means which countries are the neighboring countries of our country. Which are the neighboring countries of our country? So, 7 countries share terrestrial boundaries with India. Terrestrial boundaries means land, means the country which touches the India's border. Terrestrial boundaries means the border which touches to the India's border. So, we have Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest and Bangladesh and Myanmar on the northwest. Okay, so which countries are in the northwest? Pakistan and Afghanistan are in the northwest, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are in the northeast. And in the north, we share our boundary with China, Nepal, and Bhutan. Not only terrestrial boundaries touches with India, other means across the sea also some neighboring countries are in the India, like the islands of Sri Lanka and the Maldives. These are the across the sea, means they are in the south. And India is separated from Sri Lanka by Pakistan Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so India is separated from Sri Lanka by Pakistan Strait and Gulf of Mannar. So these are the neighboring countries of India. Now I am showing through the map. You can see this map. Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the northeast, China, Nepal and Bhutan are in the north, and across the sea, Sri Lanka and Maldives are in the south. So these are the neighboring countries of India. These are the neighboring countries of India. Now the political and administrative division. Already you know India is a very vast country. India is a very vast country, and after more than 200 years under British rule, India became independent. Okay, after the rule of 200 years, India became independent on 15 August 1947. So, for the better administration, our country, India, was divided into states on the basis of languages. India was divided into the states on the basis of languages. When India became independent, that time there were 29 states and 7 union territories. At present, India is 28 state and 8 union territories. At present, India has 28 states and 8 union territories, including New Delhi. And New Delhi is now called National Capital Territory of Delhi. And Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Why India is divided into state? Because it is very difficult for the central government to take care of the people. So India is divided into state. Then state government can look after the people of their state. And now you see this map. This is the new map. See, especially Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, here one part. Jammu and Kashmir is divided into two parts, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. You see this map. All the states are here. In the north, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And in the north east, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram and Sikkim. So here is given, you see there is given in key. NL means Nagaland, MN means Manipur, MZ means Mizoram, TR means Tripura, ML means Meghalaya. So here is given short. So this is the new political map of India. Now you see this glossary. Flora and fauna, plant and animal resources of a country or region. Population, a number of people living in a country. Subcontinent, a distinct region of a continent. Peninsula, a region surrounded on three sides by seas. Standard meridian, the meridian on which the standard time of a country is based. Union territory, a region under the direct administration of union government. So here is given the glossary. Now in this video you studied about the neighboring countries of India. So 7 countries share the terrestrial boundaries with India. What are these 7 countries? These 7 countries are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the northeast, and in the north China, Nepal and Bhutan, and across the sea Sri Lanka and Myanmar is in the south, and India is separated from Sri Lanka by the Pakistan Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. And India is a vast country, as you know, and after 200 years India became independent from the British rule on 15th August 1947. So for the better administration, the India was divided into states and states on the basis of languages. At present, India has 28 states and 8 union territories, including New Delhi. Now, New Delhi is called the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and the Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. You see the map. Now your work, you find out the capital of all these state. This is your homework. You find out and write state and capital in your classwork copy. This is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.